What's up guys? I just got back from Goodwill. I'm gonna do a little segue into this vlog. It's not gonna be like a full Goodwill haul, but what we're starting off with today. So I got lots of pants, like just strictly pants from Goodwill. I got 5 pairs of pants and I'm going for more of like the lower rise kind of like cargo pants that I'm wearing right now, like early 2000s look here. And I've been seeing it, like I really like the website Tiger Mist, and they have a lot of lower rise, like almost like work pants. For one pair it's like $65, and I got all 5 of these for literally under 45. I believe my total was 44. So you know, anyway, I'm super excited to try them on. Hopefully they fit. Sizing can be really weird, but let's just do this. Just to give you guys a little rundown of like what I'm kind of going for. So I got these like 2 months ago from and they used to fit like kind of up here, but kind of like slouching now and a little bit too oversized. But I guess I'm just going for that like loose, I don't even know, like just lower rise look. I like these a lot though. Again, this is kind of what I'm going for, but not really, because I literally didn't get any cargo pants. We're just gonna see here. Okay, this is literally what I was going for, like the low rise. This hits me perfectly. Like this is giving. This is so cute. Like this outfit, like this is just a chill outfit. These are Miss Me jeans. Do you guys remember those? I had like 1 or 2 pair because they're so expensive. I remember, so my parents would give an allowance to go like back to school shopping. So we would get like $150, and that was supposed to cover like pretty much our entire wardrobe for like the school year. So fall into winter into spring. I spent $125 on 1 pair. Not Miss Me's, but Rock Revival. Like they're in the same category, but God, just so stupid. Anyway, they are like a capri, but when you roll them up once, honestly, it looks fine. Like it's pretty casual, but again, it's like, oh my gosh, who is she? And I love the zipper detail. Like they're a mix between cargo. Look at how flattering they are. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, I'm so glad I got these. These are a 30, and I was like, I'm not gonna fit into a 30, but they're so cute. Look at me, they fit. This is literally, I swear, a pair of pants on the Tiger Mist website. These were $5.99. Literally the whole button here too, like how you can just clasp it right here. Such a nice detail. And I swear those ones are literally like $60, you guys. Oh my God. The only thing I'm not like a huge fan of is the bottoms. They're just a little like floods and kind of like more of a flare. This works, like, and this is kind of like a monochromatic fit. Like these are brown, like a really dark brown. I like them. I wish they were a little bit, I don't know, honestly. I like where they fit, but I'm curious to see what they would look like if they were a little bit lower rise, but pretty flattering nonetheless. And they're like a little bit looser of a fit, so it's a win for me. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my God. Don't buy anything from Tiger Mist. Literally just go to your local Goodwill. Like, bro. These are so cute, so flattering. This is just gonna be super in this week. This summer. I saw these and I'm like, okay, they're gonna be floods, but it looks like somebody hemmed them, so I'm just gonna like seam rip the hems and see where it takes me. These are so cute. Like it just elevates the look a little bit of them, I think. Like, you know how like jeans and a white t-shirt are always like a go-to. Still definitely very cute, but now you can kind of wear dress pants and a white tee, and that just brings it up a notch. This is so cute. I want to go out now. Okay, this one's a no. My muffin top is just muffin topping. It is staking out. I could barely get these on. Look at how flat. These are silver jeans, if you guys remember those. Okay, I really thought they were gonna work. This is a size 11, I guess. I'm typically a 12, but I do fit into 10 sometimes. So anyway, I'll keep them. Trying to get a little bit thin this summer, so you never know. But I love the low rise. Like, look at how low they are. Look at my muffin top. Oh my gosh. Lastly, we have some cute Levi's. They're like the stretch, and they are definitely stretchy. I think these would look much better if they were short. So I think these ones, I'm gonna cut them into shorts. I love the mid-rise though. Like, again, look at how flattering these are. Heck yes, I'm definitely gonna cut these into shorts, see what I can do, work my magic. But I like them. Look at that. Because I would keep them, but they are like ultra floods on me. So I'm just like, you know what, whatever. I've just been kind of lazy, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so nice outside. Like I need to get outside, but in reality, I don't. So I'm gonna go to the gym. And I feel like that would make me just feel better. I'm wearing some Buff Bunny leggings, story top, story bra. These are actually really flattering. These are like their spin leggings. I'm now going to head to Home Depot to pick up some mulch for my front yard and just to make it very nice. Let's hope. I just got back from a walk with my mom but I just got a package. I need to stop saying just, I just got back. Okay, I got a package, and I'm not sure if it's from Shein or another company that I am partnering with. It is Shein. So they sent me a bunch of stuff for like a summer vacay, like just summer try-on haul essentially. And I have to do a separate video, but I can always sneak peek a few items. I got a little bit of everything. So again, of course, bikinis. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. A little thin, not gonna lie, but I love this print. This like Hawaiian floral print is very in right now. I'm very excited for this try on. I got some tops. This is cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, this is like, I need to stop using filler words. I say like so much. This is very cute. This is so early 2000s, just very kind of like biker chic, but not really, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I am Gia. Yes, I like this. I would wear this all the time. So many cute things, just right in time for summer. Because I said I just got back from a walk with my mom, and it is finally warming up here in Minnesota. This is super cute. Ew, it smells like glue though. Okay, anyway, I'm super excited for this. You guys should definitely stick around and check that video out too. I just lugged all those from the trailer to the backyard. And there we go, we finished. It looks so much better. Look at that, that spot in the sun. Whew. And then you have no grass. So anyway, this angle looks good. Like I said yesterday, I wanted to cut these into shorts. So that is what I'm going to do. I've only done this, I mean, a few times, but it's not that hard. You just fold them up, get them in as even as possible. You could like kind of chalk out where you want it, but I'm just gonna cut. And then I always like to cut a little bit longer, just in case. These are definitely plenty long, so. Honestly, I'm not really sure like what I'm going for. I'm just kind of going for like a casual jean to put on. Okay. Let me try these on. Okay, this is what they look like right now. Honestly, maybe just like an inch shorter, 1.5 inches up to 2 inches, but they're really cute. And I love how it's like a mid-rise and not super low. We'll like kind of stretch them out and maybe fray them a little bit, but I'm gonna cut maybe 1 more inch off. Yeah, I'm gonna say right there. Okay, yes ma'am. These are literally perfect. It's a perfect length. It still covers up just enough. It's not like booty shorts. This fabric is amazing too. Very, very stretchy. So this, yes. Now I need to figure out how to like distress them. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I like them too much to mess them up. So today is Friday, May 6th, and yesterday we did so much to the house, my dad and I. Thank goodness. My dad is so great. He is a carpenter and he just knows every little thing. He is a true handyman. So we have a room in our basement that doesn't have any windows or anything, so it's not technically like a bedroom, but it is more of like a storage room. I believe it's like a 9x9 room, so pretty decent like size storage room. But we ended up putting baseboards on that, trim you could say, and then we also, like I showed you guys, did so much to our back. It was a very long day, but we laid some rock down, laid some topsoil, and then mulched everything around our concrete patio. And we have a huge concrete patio, so I mean it wasn't like anything crazy, but it was just time consuming. But it's so nice to finally get that stuff done. So we're able to put our house on the market. Our house will go on the market in 2 weeks time. So we will have our first open house then. And honestly, I could be like continuing to put some clothes away. I have a box right there, and that is just my fall/winter jackets or like hoodies and sweatshirts you could say. But for the most part, everything is pretty much like tidied up, and it's just like small things here and there that need to be cleaned. But again, we have 2 weeks, so I don't want to like rush it and then like I usually do and then just sit here and like not have anything to do. But I do want to just get out of the house and enjoy my Friday, so I think I'm going to go to At Home. I haven't been there in forever, and I'm honestly just gonna take a peek around. It's not like I need to buy anything for the new house or anything. I mean, I do, but yeah, you know. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just gonna be outside all day. It's just so nice out. It is finally warming up in Minnesota. Today is a high of like 66, and then tomorrow is a high of 70, and then we finally see some 80-degree weather next week too, so I'm excited. Okay, finally like 20 minutes later, I've picked out an outfit and it's nothing amazing. I just could not figure out what to wear. And of course I have a bunch of deodorant stains all over this bodysuit. This is Skims, and then this is I Am Gia, and I'm wearing my Nikes. Yeah, and it's not even this warm out for a tank top, so I just have a black zip up. And I love this bodysuit because it's an open back. How cute. How did I manage to get deodorant all the way down here? I need to know how I get deodorant out now. That's great. So I essentially just went to go get a look at the outdoor furniture that they had, and they had some pretty cute stuff. I didn't obviously buy anything. My car would literally fit nothing in it, and I really just don't have the budget right now to purchase anything, but I just had stuff to keep in mind. Okay, Brian just got home. We're gonna go on a little date. I cut my head off because look at this, my hair, but I'm gonna do my makeup quick. I really just want to do something very light but bronzy. So I'm not even gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. I think I'm just, I need to figure this out, hold on. I'm using this Pillow Talk lip plumper. You guys, I've had this for a while and it's probably like old, but it is a true lip plumper. Like my lips, I'm somewhat tan, so I'm just gonna take this Tarte medium sand and just put a little bit underneath my eyes here. And then just a dot of my lightest concealer.
Not bad.
What would you rate it?
I mean, like a 6.5, 7.
Out of 10? So not that great.
I mean, but it's not what I was looking for.
Okay.
Like, I thought it was gonna be like a beer, like.
A lighter?
I mean, it's a beer, but yeah.
That's more of like an IPA.
This is a porter. It's called a porter. It's like coffee. It's like a Guinness.
Oh, bro. I actually don't hate that.
Like, it's not bad.
And I usually hate beer.
Okay,
well, the after flavor.
It's like chocolatey.
Yeah. Okay, Moscow Mule with a splash of grenadine.
How is it? Fuck it up?
Yeah.
They don't know how to make a mule. They don't know how to make a mule here.
They don't. Ew. Not terrible, but like ew.
You just gotta mix it.
Yeah.
Too much ginger. Dark lager. Ooh, that fire brick amber. I've had that shit.